This 2025 Aliner Ranger 12 is a pop-up RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Aliner is 15 feet 0 inches in length and features water heater, refrigerator, LP detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, smoke detector, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this pop-up features front dinette, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Aliner Ranger 12 is 1,760 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.